Are you guys ready for another tech nerd tip? Because I sure am. Hey, what's going on, guys? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Windows 10 or 11 bootable USB flash drive. Alright, so once you guys are on your computer, all you guys are going to do is simply go and head and plug in your USB flash drive to your computer. And then we will, if you have any important data on your USB stick, go ahead and back it up because it will be deleted off the USB flash drive, just so you guys know. So we can go ahead and close that for now because we will need to do something first. So first things first, after you plug in the USB, simply go to a web browser, and in your web browser simply search, I want you to search this exact thing, create Windows installation media. Come up here, so just click on it if it comes up. Go ahead and click on this one, which is called create installation media for Windows. And then go ahead, once you get here, depending on what version of Windows you want to do, if you want to, support for these is not here anymore. You can not get Windows 10 or, Windows 7 or 8, but we can get 10 and 11. So I'm just going to go ahead, for the sake of this video, and get 10, but you can. It works the exact same way for 11. So just go ahead and click on the one you want. And then it's going to bring you to a page like this. So we're going to click on download now underneath create Windows 10 installation media. Just click on download now. And this thing will come up here. And then once it's finished downloading, click on it here. Click on yes. And it is going to start up here now. Just go ahead and let it load. It shouldn't take too long. Alrighty, you just go ahead and click accept here. It's going to load again. And that shouldn't take too long. Alright, once it gets to the screen that looks like this, all you want to do is, it'll already be selected to upgrade this PC now. So all you want, but we don't want to upgrade this computer, we want to create an install flash drive so we can install it. So we're going to just simply click in this circle bit on next to create installation media instead, so because that's what we want. And once you do that, click next. I'm just going to leave this like so, but if you need to change the language, you go ahead and do that. I'm going to hit next. We're not going to touch this, we're just going to have it selected as USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 gigabytes, it's saying. Go ahead and click next. And then it auto detected my USB drive. We can even make sure that's the right one. Yep. And then click next. And then wait for that. And then it's gonna start creating that bootable USB. And then you can keep using the computer in the background like normal. It'll take some time, but that's all we have to do, and that's it. So just wait for that to complete. Okay, so once the USB drive has been made, we need to install it. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So once you have the USB, and you've done all that, simply plug it into the computer that you want to install Windows on, with the computer being off, and then power the computer on, and then we need to boot into the BIOS. So on Dell computers, it's going to be the F12 key. But other computers will be different, so you just have to figure out which key it is for the BIOS on your computer. Anyways, so I'm just gonna scroll down here. Some of them you will need to change the boot option to boot off that USB drive. But this one I can simply come to where it is and then hit enter on it, and then it'll automatically go to that. And then it should bring up a screen like this, loading Windows. It should pop up in just a sec. And then it should load up in a screen like this. Change it to what you need to, but I'm just going to leave that like so, and then click install now. And then let that load. Should bring up a screen like this. Go ahead and click on I accept the license terms and hit next. And then hit custom install Windows only. And what we're going to do here is delete all those partitions on that drive. So we can just have one big volume. Here's a one. Delete. Now one big unallocated space. Hit next. And it's going to copy all the files. So wait for that to copy. Now it's going to give us 10 seconds to remove our USB flash drive. So I'm just going to unplug it. And then click on restart now. Alright, once it loads, it should bring you to a thing like this. Cortana is going to say, "Hello, I'm here to help." But then I just went and muted the volume and turned it off. Because she's pretty annoying, and it's just going to say all this crap. And then eventually it'll let you load in. Please do. Yes. Okay, go ahead and just continue to run through the prompts. Like so. Skip. Now, if you guys don't want to, even if you have internet, but you guys don't want to put a Microsoft account in, go ahead and click I don't have internet. Because if you put your internet in, you will have to put a Microsoft account in. I don't want one, so I'm going to hit I don't have internet. And then hit continue with a limited setup, but it's really not limited. Who's going to use this PC? So we're going to put anything. I'm just going to put Techno Tips. Next, put a password if you want. If you don't, just click next. I'm going to go ahead and just click accept for here, but you can turn what you don't want off. I don't want Cortana, so I'm just going to hit not now. And then it is just going to go ahead and get some things set up so you won't have to touch anything from here. So just let that load, it won't take long. And that's it, we have officially installed Windows. Alright, I hope that helped. If it did, please like, comment, and subscribe.